So let's take a look at this one. Everybody, I just want to emphasize with some of them for you is 21, everybody. 21 plus 2 times 32. We need to do 2 plus 2 times 32 first. Okay, everybody? So it's 21 plus 64. So the answer is 85. Get it? Okay, everybody, take a look at the second one. 61 minus 28 equals 33. And 99 minus what equals 33? The answer is 66. Okay, so 2 times 44 equals 88.
88.
Right, 11 equals
8.
8. Very good. Okay, so everybody, when the number is getting bigger, the questions became harder. So something, what 49 equals 100 minus 52? So I'm going to just start with something is solid. What is solid, Aiden? It's something that you know exactly the answer will be, because what and what 49 is something, there's a lot of mystery there, right? But 100 minus 52, you know it's 48, correct? So what and 49 equals 48? There are two options, okay? You can do negative 1 plus 49, right? But you said, okay, 老师，我不会做 negative，有什么关系啊？ You can use 48 plus 49 equals 97. 97 minus 49 equals 48. Correct 哈？有小朋友说，老师，我们学过 fraction 了。I want to do something with fraction. I can even do 48 divided by 49 times 49. Understand, Jordan? I want you to take a look at every single possibilities, okay? So let's take a look at this one. 43 minus what equals what minus 48, 58. Okay, so because both of the signs are unsure, so Aiden said, teacher, you just tell me, start it with something you're sure. But this time, the left side and right side, they're both unsure. How do we do it? So how about we just put one side first? 43 minus 43 equals 0. In order to make it 0, 58 minus 58. Correct, everybody? Okay, so that will be the quickest way of doing that, okay? So that's the same thing. So when you do the question like this, and question like that, and question with like that, they're all having one side sure, the other side not sure. So everybody, I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 questions separately and give me the answer by chat. Okay, right now, I have already teach you how to do it. So let's see if you can do it quicker.
Miss Kira, I send it to you.
Okay, so there are 4 questions, okay? Very good. I have received Amelia's already, and Albert is on the way of sending me. Very good. Albert, good job. You get it all right. So Albert, did you get it? So with teachers' help, actually you can do it really quick. Aiden, very good. And Aiden, you know what? Because you're typing 1, 2, 3, 4, that's why you're a little bit slower than Albert. You're very good as well. So everybody got understand? Okay, so with a little bit help from teacher, everybody can do it really quick, right? So now let's take a look at some example questions, okay? So everybody, I'm going to just to show you the question like that, okay? So this question and this question. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to just giving the example of 58 plus 30 minus 38 as example. Okay, so everybody, we know if you want to do 58 plus 30, it's 88, and 88 minus 30, it's another way. Okay, so how about we just do this? Okay, everybody, I want you to circle them. So we have a 58, and we have a positive 30, and we have a negative 38. Okay, so this is something I want you to start to learn. So some students say, 老师，我可不可以58加30减 and 38? No. Okay, so everybody, this is something we have to practice. So you always go with the before one. So 30 has a positive in front of it and negative has a 38, like 38 have a negative in front of it. Understand, Aiden? So always having the circle, like including something in front of it. And 58 has nothing in front of it. So if you see a number has nothing in front of it, it's always positive, okay? So we have positive 58, positive 30, and negative 38. So boys and girls, I want to do this one first because we have 3 circles and I can just put them into any order. So 58 minus 38, we know is 20. So 20 plus 30 equals what? 50. Get it, Aiden? So by doing this, you don't have to have the scratch paper. You can do everything in your brain. Okay, I'm just to give you another example. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 37 plus 31 minus 30. I can circle them with 37, positive 31, and negative 30. So how about we do these two first? 31 minus 30 equals what? Equals 1. 37 plus 1 equals what? 38. Get it, everybody? So with this method, you don't have to really calculate anything by everything in your brain. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so how about you tell me how to do it, okay?
的，
可以做完了发给老师啊。Okay, very good. So everybody, you're gonna find out, we can do 24 and we can do 76 minus 71 first equals 5. So the answer is 29, right? And this one, we can do 59 minus 30, or you can do 23 minus 30, though it's not enough. I know it's negative 7, so 59 minus 7 equals 52. So this one, 43 minus 44 equals negative 1, so the answer is 31. Okay, everybody, so this is something we are learning today, okay? So first of all, don't worry about it. If you said, okay, teacher, I have something that is not very sure what I'm doing, so don't worry about it, okay? We're still there, and it is pretty easy, okay? So 1 second, I am going to show you something. Okay, so today, first of all, we are going to calculate what is, oh, Eleanor, 你在玩什么？手里拿什么玩呢？我也想玩。
The origin's name starts with an A.
Okay, Eleanor 说 magic。Aiden 你到哪儿去了 ？Alexander 到哪儿去了 ？Alexander 在的。Alexander, where's your cat? Is your cat still learning math from me? You know what? I am thinking about collecting some cat food from her because you know what? She is taking my math class and she's not even giving me anything. So I'm going to collect some cat food from your cat. because she's going to be the smartest cat in this world, right, everybody? because Alexander's cat is learning math every day, remember? Everybody, do you remember? Okay, so now everybody, we're going to learn this thing, okay? So let's take a look at this one. Evaluate the following expression for x equals 6. Okay, so Jordan, can you tell me what does 7x mean?
76.
No, okay, so glad I asked you, okay? So 7x means x times 7. Okay, 7 times x.
No
Okay?
time.
So x over 3 equals what? Equals x divided by 3. Get it? So this one is 36 divided by x. Okay, and also does this one. So 2x equals what? 2
times 2 minus 2.
Yes, okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, we're going to do the first question with you together. Okay, Aiden, take a look. Because x equals 6, so this one equals 7 times 6 equals 42. Get it? Okay, everybody, I'm going to do the number 2 with you as well, because x equals 6, so it's 6 divided by 3, so equals 2. Get it, everybody? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn, okay?
Okay.
When you finished, please
So
send
it's
the
6,
answer to
7,
me.
8.
Yeah, so the rest of the question is your turn, okay?
So we just do 6, 7, 8.
No.
3, 4, 5,
3,
6,
4,
7,
5,
8.
6, 7, 8. Thank you,
Oh.
Jordan.
Okay, I'm sending you it. Me too. Miss Karen, send it to you.
Okay, I got it.
Me too.
我再等一下别的小朋友啊，马上就好。Okay, I have received almost everybody's answer. So I'm going to explain everything, okay? So just to be careful, watch out how I get everything, okay? Because x equals 6, so 29 minus 6 equals 23. 36 divided by 6 equals 6, okay? And 9 times 6 equals 54. 6 plus 41 equals 47. 3 times 6 plus 6 equals 24. And the 2 times 6 minus 2 equals 10. Good job, everybody. I think almost everybody get it all right. Okay, so I am actually teaching some students the other day. Then they asked me, what is X? So X is what? Jordan, can you tell me? What is X? What is X?
6.
Yeah, X is what?
6.
No, in this question, it is 6, right? But I can
Yeah.
also say X equals 7, everybody. The whole entire answer will be changed or stay the same. Changed, very good, okay? So X means could be everything. So this is called variable, okay? So because it varies all the time, that's why it's called variable. So let's just take a look at this, okay? So everybody, if I name X equals 12 right now, everybody, can you do from 1 to 8 right now? It's going to be totally different answers, okay? So now X equals 12. X is not 6 anymore.
Miss Gary, and then I'll just send it to you.
Okay. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to explain, okay? Because this time,
Gary, I'll send it to you.
7 times 12 equals 84. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And 29 minus 12 equals 17. And 36 divided by 12 equals 3. And 9 times 12 equals 108. And 12 plus 41 equals 53. And 3 times 12 plus 12 equals 48. And 2 times 12 minus 2 equals 22. Very good. Very good. Okay. So Aiden and Albert and Alexander, did you realize actually I can make unlimited questions if I give the different numbers of x, correct? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So instead of, sometimes we have one variable and sometimes we have two variables, right, Jordan? Jordan 呢，一边在看书，一边在做数学题目。啊，是不是的？
Did all of them.
对呀，
I didn't
我
get
知
to
道
send
你
it
做
to
完了，那
you.
你是不是第一个做完的呀？等一下，我告诉你哥哥，让你哥哥来打你屁股。哼，
他在上课。
他也在上课。那我星期五就碰到他了，我碰到他我就告诉他，我说 Jordan 不乖，过会儿帮我打他屁股，好不好？好不好？不好。OK， 那你不能
打你吧。
一边做题目的 OK。So let's take a look at this one. So Albert, we have 5 plus B plus C. So this time B equals what? 2, right? And C equals 7. So 5 plus 2 plus 7 equals what? Equals 14. Okay, so let's take a look at number 13. So 7 times C equals what? Equals 7 minus 2 equals 49 minus 2 equals 47. Get it, everybody? So your turn doing these 6 questions, okay? Your turn doing these 6 questions.
I'm done. I'm sending it.
Okay. Bagel, no.
What?
No, it's just my dog. 他没想出去啊。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? I hope I have received Aiden's, I have received Jordan's.
I'm just having one
跟
more
你说
question.
，Aiden 和 Jordan 两个人答案有一点点不一样啊，不知道是谁对谁错啊，检查一下，检查一下。
Well, I just need to do one more question.
嗯哼。
Okay, Miss Karen, I'm sending it to you.
OK，都是你做的吗？你做了那么多。可以用吗？对啊。OK，好，就这个。还有。 Okay, everybody, let's take a look at first one. Okay, so 60
Miss Curie, I
plus
sent it to you.
minus 7. Thank you. Equals what? Equals 11, correct? So next one, 7 minus 2 plus 1 equals 6. 9 times 2 minus 7 equals 11. 4 times 7 minus 2, plus 2 equals 30. And 12 times 2 plus 7 equals 31. And 22 plus 2 minus 7 equals 17. Okay, so let me see how many questions you get it all right. Okay, Aiden, I think has one question wrong. Okay, the reason is because I think you wrongly put B and C in the wrong place, right? Okay, let me see. Oh, the dot is whom? Okay, Jordan means dot right now. Jordan 也错了一题，错了一题，太可惜了。OK，我们再来看看 Amelia。哎呀
It's
，Amelia 也错了一
Alexander.
题。I have one question wrong, right?
I'm Alexander.
You're Alexander? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Alexander. Yeah, so 3 of you. So everybody, so please watch out your answer, okay? Because you know what? A little bit different will be totally different, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. You can be slow, okay? Don't be quick. 不要说老师我要做得快，然后做错，那等于白做, okay? So let's take a look at this. We have 6y divided by d. So it's 6 times y equals what? 8. And divided by what? Divided by 4. So 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Or you can do 8 divided by 4 equals what? Equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12 as well, okay? So step by step, don't jump any steps. Only 3 questions, okay? No hurry.
Which 3?
只有3个道题啊，18、19、
哦
20，只有3道题。
Okay.
我看看这是谁做的全对啊？
Okay.
全都做完啦，3道题。OK， 昨天检查好，刚才就是没有做全对，这次要做全对哦。没有做全对，老师要打屁股的啊！我已经发现你好像，对不对？不知道对不对啊？Jordan 都已经变成一只猫了，都不是人了，不是小人人了，是小猫咪。
Not again. Sending it to you is scary.
嗯哼。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 还有个叫 Miami 的 ，Miami 是谁啊
Eleanor.
？Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this
Miami
one.
Heat.
So 20 divided by d. I want to ask Albert, d equals what?
D equals 4.
So it's 20 divided by 4 and plus what? Plus 8, right? So 5 plus 8
Here, I'm sending it
equals
to you.
13. Next one, y and d. So y equals 8, d equals 4 divided by 2 equals 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Last but not least, 8 divided by 4
Miss Kira, I send it to you.
equals 2 plus 6 equals 8. So the answer is 13, 16, and 8. Okay, congratulations, Jordan. You get it all right. And also Eleanor get it all right. And Aiden get it all right as well. Very good. Okay, so Jordan's the first one, Aiden's the second one. And now I think it's Eleanor is the third one. Okay, so the rest of you, you have to wake up. Okay, everybody? Okay, so the
Okay.
last question. So Amelia making mistakes, right? Understand everybody? Okay, how do we do these questions? Okay, so let's just take a look at the second one. Okay, so this time it's even complicated. Okay, but everybody, I want you to be very patient, do questions one by one. Okay, everybody? So we have these ones with A equals 3, B equals 5, and C equals 6. So 3, 5, 6, they're different numbers, okay? So first of all, if you see there's a number is question A plus 5, so we need to find out where's A. A is 3, so 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very easy. So next one, 15 minus C. We need to look at C equals 6, so 15 minus 6 equals 9. Okay, 8 questions, very easy. Everybody, 1 minute.
I'm not pencil. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I think this is pretty easy, right?
I'm sending it, Carrie.
Okay, okay.
I'm done.
I'm sending it to you.
Okay, so I'm going to
I sent it to
okay,
you.
okay, I got it.
I'm
Okay, so
done.
when you finished, don't have to tell me. I can see it, okay? Don't say it. So let's take a look at this one, everybody. So 4b, so 4 times b equals 5 equals 20. So 18 divided by 6 equals 3, and 20 minus 3 equals 17. And 11 times 6 equals 66, okay? So 45 divided by 5 equals 9, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 3 plus 5 plus 6 equals 14. And 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Everybody, so this is entire answer. So check how many questions you did right, how many questions you did it wrong.
Miss
Okay,
Carrie,
everybody?
B5.
Huh?
It's
B is
55.
6. It's 55.
Oh, 55,
Yeah.
yes.
It's supposed to be 55.
Thank you. This one is 55. Thank you. You're right. Okay, everybody, check how many questions you did. Okay, so now let's take a look next one. Okay, so these 10 questions, I'm not going to help you at all. Okay, So from 11 to 20, it's all your requirement. "加油，小朋友们！
I'm done.
Okay.
Sending
waiting
it to
for-
you, Miss Karen.
Yes, I am waiting for everybody to send it to me, okay?
I'm done.
Okay, good.
I'm done. I'm just gonna send it to you.
Mhm. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one, okay? I'm just waiting for the last person who didn't send it to me.
Me. I'm sending it.
So let's take a look at this one.
Julia, send it to you.
Okay,
And sending it to you.
okay, so first one, Q times 50. So Q is 2. So 2 times 50 equals 100, correct? Am I right? Okay, second one, R divided by Q equals 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Next one, 12 plus 4 plus 6 equals 22. And 12 minus 7 equals 5. And 10 times 30 equals 300. And 30 divided by 10 equals 3. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And 30 minus 12 equals 18. And 30 minus 2 equals 28. And 48 divided by 12 equals 4. OK， 有没有小朋友好像知道有啊？都对的，对不对？看有没有人做错了，看一下。
Got it all right.
Okay, got it. All right, very good. Okay, so boys and girls, we have 10 minutes left, and I would like to discuss about your homework. Okay, so let's talk about the homework.
Send it to you.
Yeah. So I want to show your homework first. Okay, so everybody. Let's take a look at the homework, okay? This one's true. Okay, so we have 10 minutes and we discussed about the homework. So let's take a look at this one. So 5 add 4 equals 4 plus these ones I think has no problem at all, right? We have go through these questions already. Just to take a look at the last question, okay? So this one, I just explained it. So the number before at and the number after at is going to have the relationship of a 3 times this number and minus 2 times this number. So 3 times 5 minus 2 times 4. So the answer is 7. Okay, so this 3 times 5 minus 2 times 3 equals 15 minus 6 equals 9. But let's take a look at this one, everybody. So this one is you have a bracket, right, Aiden? When you see a bracket, you have to do everything inside the bracket first. Understand, Alexander? Okay, so let's do 3 add 2 first equals what? 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2. So equals 9 minus 4 equals 5. So that means this whole entire thing equals 5. So we have a new equation, 3 add 5. So how do we do it? It's 3 times the earlier number, so the number before at, so 3, minus 2 times the number after that symbol. So it's 9 minus 10, so equals negative 1. Get it, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, Alexander for that. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So we're talking about 4, 5, and 6, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So if you don't know what is this one, this is time, this is divide, right? So other than, compare with the earlier question, so any number before this at, you need to what? This time is time 3. And any number after the symbol is going to be divided by 2. So it's 6 times 3 plus 8 divided by 2. So equals 18 plus 4 equals 22. Right, next one is 8 times 3 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 24 plus 3 equals 27. Understand? Okay, so every time it's different. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So we have a new one. So this symbol this time is I'm going to times a times the number before the symbol directly minus the number after that. And now we have the bracket again. So we're going to discuss the thing inside the bracket first. So the number before the symbol is 4, and we're using 8 times 4 minus the number after the symbol 2. So 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 minus 2 equals 30. So we have the equation is 30 at 3. Okay, so again, still the same policy. 8 times 30 minus 3 equals 240 minus 3 equals 237. Get it? Okay, next one. So we're doing this one as 2 add 3 first. So 2 times 8 minus 3 equals 15. So the answer is 4 at 15. So this one is 8 times 4 minus 15, everybody. So 32 minus 15 equals 17. So these two answers will be something like that. Okay, understand? 有不懂的现在问老师啊。 So every time just to talk about the position, okay? The position is the most important thing. Albert, understand? 你去找这个 symbol 前面的数字和这个数字后面的数字就可以了，好不好？OK，我们看第6题最难的。OK， m at n， so this one equals what? 4m minus m divided by 2。这次是什么？你要去找这个 symbol 后面的那个数字去乘以4，然后呢减去这个 symbol 前面的数字除以2。那我们看 4 at 6。好了，首先去找这个 symbol 后面的数字是几啊？是6，所以4 times 6. Everybody see? N equals 6. That's the same thing we did today. Understand, Aiden? So we switch the number value of m with 6 and minus the switch the number of m with 4. So 4 divided by 2 equals 24 minus 2 equals 22. Get it? Okay, so 30 at 22. Again, still the same thing. This time, n equals 22 and m equals 30. So it's 4 times 22 minus 30 divided by 2 equals 88 minus 15 equals 73. That is the answer. Okay, so boys and girls, I want you to redo number 5 and number 6 yourself. Okay, 第5题和第6题重新做一下。Okay, so I hope everybody, you are getting it. Okay, so the last question, I think you still remember the answer, right? Okay, so boys and girls, the thing we learned today is actually connected with the last week, right, Aiden? If you're doing very good today, you're gonna find out the last week's homework is not that hard anymore, correct? Okay, just to replace the value, that's the same thing, Albert. So I strongly suggest you, because today's homework, Alexander, is very easy. So I only received 2 homeworks from you last week, okay? I strongly suggest you go back to redo your last week's homework because I think every one of you should know how to do it already. Correct, everybody? Okay, so if that's the case, thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed today's class and we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.